Hi, welcome to Friday Workshop. Today we're going to be having a quick look at how you time your Norton Commando using our Pazon ignition kits. There's a nice little video to cover with this. One of the things we're going to be talking about and looking at is first how you static time your bike, and that would be when you're fitting your stator and rotor in place of your points. First of all, the first thing to do is to remove your rocker covers to make sure you're at the right stroke and timing on the right side of the engine. So we want your right hand cylinder at top dead center and your left hand cylinder with the exhaust valve open. So we know that you're on the compression stroke of the right hand side cylinder. Once you're there, rotate the engine back very slightly until you can see your timing mark, which we'll be looking at 31 degrees, and that's in line with the timing mark that's on your rotor. So you'll see that lining up for your 31 degrees. Once you're there, you should be able to just put on your stator plate and your magnet and everything on the right hand side of the engine in place of your points. You'll see there's two red marks and there's a hole. There's two holes, one that says anti-clockwise and one says clockwise timing. Make sure on the Commando you're using your anti-clockwise timing mark. Line those up, tweak him up, and that's your static timing done. As you can see in our video, we've taken the bike outside. We've got one person using the strobe and one person looking at where we are with the stator and rotor and adjusting accordingly. So run the bike up, let it idle for a while. You're then looking to pull the motor into full advance. As you can see, we're giving the bike a good rev, getting it up into full advance. The timing mark will then give a true indication of where we actually are with the strobe. And as we said, we're looking for 31 degrees on the timing mark and on your rotor. If you're just out, you then adjust the stator plate that you've put on where your points were, accordingly advance or retard it until you've got that spot on. So stop your engine, adjust the plate to advance or retard your timing, tweak him back up again, start the bike again, full advance, and as you'll see, we should end up with at static timing the red mark perfectly aligned on your point side, and at full advance you should have 31 degrees with your rotor and your timing mark on your primary side. And hopefully you'll be able to see that in our video, and I hope that makes sense, and I hope it's of use to you, because it's one of the things we're often asked about. So any questions, any problems, anything like that, you're welcome to contact us at Norton Motors, and if you'd like us to fit them and sort them out for you, no problem at all.